Welcome to Royal Trading Lab, market outlook and stock idea for the next week. Disclaimer, nothing in this presentation consists of any trading advice, stock recommendation. My opinion are for the education purpose only. Market on 30th of April is closed at 17,828, is slightly up 15.6 point. Advances are 29, declines are 20, and unchanged one stock. VIX declined 2.97%. Nifty Realty is up 1.13%. Nifty IT down 2.2%. Nifty Pharma down 0.76%. Nifty Media down 0.74%. Bank Nifty up 1.38%. The Nifty gainers are HDFC Life, Asia Motor, Apollo Hospital, Power Grids. On loser sides, Infosys is down 3.14%, Tech Mahindra down 2.17%, SCL Tech 2%. IT sector are in pressure in the last trading day, that is 13th of April. Market closed at 70,828 and up slightly 15 points. This is the Nifty outlook for the next week. On Thursday, Nifty closed at 70,828. We are very near to the resistance point. The resistance zone is 18,000 to 18,135. Hardly 100 points is the coming week. We see some selling upon near to the resistance points. Upside is limited for the next week, and support is 70,400 is a good support for the coming week. The is a better way. If market come down to support, we have tried to build up the long position, and near to the resistance, we have tried to build the short positions, take our profits near to the resistance points. Let's work on the stock. Number one stock for next week is Paras Defense. Is expect a good move from the current level. Next stock is Nelco Limited. Again, we have expect again good move in Nelco also. And third stock is Lovable. Is all three stock are we expecting the great move from the current level. Our wealth creation mantra is earn short term, invest long term. Means हम लोग का जो बेसिक मंत्र है, मंथली हमको 5% जो भी अर्न करना है, और अर्निंग का 30% प्रॉफिट को वी हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन द लॉन्ग टर्म. दिस इज अवर वेल्थ क्रिएशन मंत्र. In Royal Trading Lab, we do trainings and mentoring in stock market, helping people to generate monthly income, consulting, simplify stock market for everyone. Our USP is hand-holding and simplicity. Thanks. Have a good day. Goodbye. Thank you, friends.